Meaning of forefinger.
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 Forefinger. The forefinger, also known as the index finger, is the finger located next to the thumb on the hand. It is typically the most utilized digit in the human hand and is used for pointing, touching, and grasping objects. The forefinger's name comes from the Latin word index, meaning pointing finger. It is an important part of human anatomy and plays a crucial role in many tasks, including writing, typing, and playing musical instruments. Additionally, it has cultural significance, being used in gestures such as the iconic OK sign.